How would you like to turn $18 into a full-time passive income? Stay tuned to the very end of this video as I'm going to go over the blue collar success system and show you exactly how you can leverage the Four Corners Alliance Group along with a couple other income streams to generate passive income online without any extra work. Now, what I'm going to be going over in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what the blue collar success system is, why I believe it's one of the most recommended income streams that anybody should be, involved in, because it's so simple. All you have to do is follow a couple training videos. You're going to get your very own blue collar success system exactly like you see on my page right now, but you're going to be able to earn commissions when you promote it. So the reason I like these systems, I have, if you check the description below, I have one that's specifically for Canada and the US using MCA, and this one is global. So this one is more for those people, who are outside of Canada and the US. They're looking to make money. They're tight on a budget. They don't have a lot of money to invest. You can get started with the blue collar success system for very, very cheap. Now, what you're going to receive in this is you're going to receive your own done for you system. You're going to receive your own follow-up, which is going to be automatically populated as you go through the training. So as we see on my page right here, beside this video, if you click the link below this video, go find blue collar success system in the description and, click the button and go set up your system. What you're going to receive is you're going to get sent to a page like this. You're going to see, a fast start training page, which is going to walk you through and set up your first income stream. There's also a system setup page, which is going to give you, inside of your Power Lead System account, what you're going to get with the blue collar success system is you're going to get 100% done for you system. Now, as you guys see here, I have, 4CA. This is our Four Corners Alliance Group, and you're going to get a whole bunch of different landing pages, which you can then go out and promote. Now, if you don't know how to promote, that's completely fine, because as you guys see here, we have a traffic video. So Frank's going to show you, he's going to walk you through how to actually get traffic to this system. So literally all you have to do is click the button below this video, watch 4 simple training videos, and you're set up and ready to start earning. Now, if we go over to my Facebook group and show you exactly how much money my mentor Frank has made in only 1 week, not even 1 week of this system being launched. So as we see here, another income stream being paid from the blue collar success system. As we scroll down here through our group, right, still there's people, not just the creator of the group, but there's other people making money with these systems. As you guys see here, 7 hours ago, $2,200 or $2,400 this week alone promoting this system. Anybody can do this. The question is, do you have what it takes to follow simple training and take consistent action every day? Now, if you expect to come in and, become a millionaire overnight or, make $2,000 your first week, I would just click off this video and just go, play some video games or something. If you really want a system that's going to give you, make it a lot easier for you to actually create success online, then you want to click the link below this video, set up your blue collar success system, and then message us in our private group and, share your results, share, your experience going through the system, and make sure that you go through and you watch all of these trainings, as they're going to help you get set up as quickly as possible. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Make sure if you click the button below this video, you're going to get an email from me, a welcome email from me, where I'm going to go a little bit more in depth into, how to exactly get your system set up. I'm also going to be giving away some free traffic bonuses of, how I get some free traffic from social media and some of the other traffic sources that I personally use as well, alongside of, Frank's traffic training as well. So lots of value inside of this system, plus some free bonuses, which I'm going to give you for simply being a part of our team and, thanking you and congratulating for you taking action. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next training. Have a great day.